Ifana lento ukuthi Mabunda uthi uzothenga imoto this year. Avela umuntu akuhleke. Athi wena sokwesibona inyoka leyo. Ungalwi nomuntu wakuzisa ubhlungu. Ungalwi nomuntu wakubhedela. Ube wena wamenzela iqiniso. Move on. Okleva bafana naye uzodibana nabo phambili. Yazi inkinga yabantini mvangeli ukuthi abafuna ukukholwa uma abantu babakhombisa ukuthi banjani.
That's true.
Bakholelwa lento abayishoyo hayi lento abayenzayo. Kahlukana nabangani. Whether umngani, whether umuntu uthandana naye, whether it's a family member, abadinga ushiphe labahamba khona. Greetings South Africa, welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Hey bafethu, it's been a while. Happy New Year. Siyathemba ningene kahle onyakeni. As always bafethu angkhongedwa ngihamba noSibuda the Buddhas ekudala ngayigcina lento. Ngiyazwakala nje nasemzimbeni ukuthi it's been time and I can feel. But otherwise bafethu, welcome to another yet episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. We welcome you guys to 2026. Siyathemba benisimisa njengoba thina besimisa nina. As always angkhongedwa nginobaba Mango, indoda eyashada last year, indoda eyadecide ukuthi ngeke ngisaba single. But right
Mabunda mfethu ngiyaphila uGrand ba.
Hayi mina Grand. No man, happy new year man. Yeah, sibingelele nalapha emakhaya. Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Njoba Mabunda asho, we've missed you so much bafowethu. Sinikhumbule kakhulu and yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. Happy new year as Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi, because the truth is bafowethu singamadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Unfortunately ngazingena. Fortunately then i-network had to grow and sikwazi nathi sibe nama real talk, sibe nama podcast. But the original Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu, siyakholwa sisindisiwe. Miyabona, but nje siyanamukela kakhulu. Thank you so much for those who are subscribing and commenting. Mabunda, it's always good man to be back. With full fire and full force.
It's amazing episode.
I wonder namhlanje uphetheni because ngiyazi qhamuka ngapha bayiphose ngapha ngakibi hayi bese ziyakhala.
No, before siyakude but last year was a very interesting year. A lot of things happened. You got married, we started the Real Talk. We did a whole lot of things. Now go Real Talk, which episode was your favorite and why?
Mabunda ke ubuzo omunye umuntu. You know put mina nginesifo esiwane. Ngingaze ngishuthi into ngiyakhohlwa ngayo ngidlule ngayo. You understand? So unfortunately but I don't know, but there's one incident. It's not my favorite, but because of that episode people they lashed me. Yona nje that I remember labo makhwaphe. That one but for naive.
No, now I think it would be that one Abu Makwapeni. Because we got to be in a position that's where we're pushed out of our comfort zone. And decided to talk about something that is very deep. But otherwise, Bafetu, this is a new year for me. And we are in 2026. Kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi umuntu makaqala unyaka awuqale noNkulunkulu. Angazi if lento ngisho makes sense. Because we live in a generation whereby abantu, they have new goals, they have new things that they want to achieve. Yabona, umbuzo wami uthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi mawuqala unyaka uqale noNkulunkulu.
Mabunda, I'll answer you maybe ngasho uthi I can go deeper. Kulento ukuthi kubaleke njani ukuqala unyaka noNkulunkulu. Okay, asivele sicale kanje Mabunda. uNkulunkulu ungumdali wezulu nomhlaba. yonke into edaliwe idalwe uyena.
Sure.
So kwathina usidalile.
Sure.
So ukucala noNkulunkulu kufana nokuthi ucala nendoda ephethe impilo yakho. You understand? Because the truth is Mabunda asazi onyakeni ukuthi uSathane iziphi izinto ayihlelile ngawo. But kuba safe lokuthi ube sesidini likaNkulunkulu because here's the truth Mabunda, uNkulunkulu unamandla futhi uNkulunkulu ungaphezulu kwakho konke. Noma uSathane elwa but uyayazi position yakhe ukuthi kuphi kuNkulunkulu. So ifana nalento nokuthi Mabunda mfowethu awunawo amandla but kunabantu basabayo kunabantu abalwa nawe but now kunesigore esingibhuti wakho or omdala uyazi ukuthi okay mangiskimele noma kuthiwa kulesa strata ngidluli but ngizondlula yabo. So ukucala noNkulunkulu it's more like you are saying to uNkulunkulu, Lord fight for me. I don't know kuzokwenzakalani kulonyaka because I trust you as you said in your word ukuthi unemiqabanga emihle ngempilo yami. So it is very important. That is why kulonyaka lona Mabunda abantu every January people what they do they shut down everything and reflect reflect kuNkulunkulu bese kuyena bamcela uNkulunkulu walk with me. What are the things to fix? Ngiphenduke la kose ngiphenduke khona.
You know into engizisibhlungu mfaka Mango. Ukuthi siphile esikhathini whereby abantu they don't understand the importance of having a good and a healthy relationship with God. And into abayenzayo bana lento yokuthanda ukuyuza uNkulunkulu. Angazi if it makes sense. When I say bana lento yokuthanda ukuyuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi every time abaya kuNkulunkulu baya kuye ngoba kunento abayifunayo. Angazi if it makes sense. Kufana namanje I'm not saying it's wrong to go before God and pray for your goals none but iphutha most of you enilenzayo ukuthi uma izinto zihamba kahle animfuni uNkulunkulu. Uma izinto zihamba kahle ku right kunganankinga financial asabamdingi uNkulunkulu kanti kubalulekile kuze uqale naye unyaka usaqala. Make sure that prayer becomes your lifestyle. It doesn't become something that you visit to. Even noma kungathiwa kuhamba kahle yonke into, let prayer become a lifestyle. Angazi if it makes sense.
It makes sense webhuti. Let me just elaborate something because I don't want us to dwell on one thing. But I want us to see nabe. But we are still on the same topic. Emabunda, mina there's something engifundile ngoNkulunkulu in my personal experience. Emabunda uNkulunkulu uyamiyeka umuntu adecide ukuthi wenzani. And there's one thing I've learned about God. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyenzeka dedela izinto empilweni yakho. Makazidedela lezo zinto but iproblem itholakala ukuthi unabantu abarong empilweni yakho. Into eshayayo kakhulu in a journey with God ukuthi sihluleka ukudecide yet kunezinto uNkulunkulu ayidedelile phezulu kwempilo zethu. Ngebuthi kunzima ukulahla umuntu omthandayo yet loyo muntu uyi-stumbling block sempumelelo yakho. Okusho ukuthi Mabunda ngiblandwa uthando yet kunezinto engilahlekelwa yizo. Uthandaze kuNkulunkulu mangalona impilo yami lokayishintsha uNkulunkulu dala ishintshe impilo yakho but inkinga ufuna ukushintsha abantu ukuze kube ne-flow whatsoever lento uNkulunkulu ayidedele. Mabunda ngiyazwakala kodwa ngikuzwa kahle ukuthi iyashisa lento ungikhumbuza indaba kaLot. We normally preach about him uLot no Abraham. Okusho ukuthi ke sometimes you find yourself in a position whereby abantu onabo or abantu osurrounded nabo banayo lento contaminator isibusiso sikaThixo. Ngamanye amagama uma into enhle ivele empilweni yakho inhliziyo zabo zingcolise leyo nto ugcina ingasabonakala ukuthi uNkulunkulu kunento ayilithile. Ingoba uThixo uyabona ukuthi mawusurrounded ngabantu abarong empilweni yakho kuyafana nokuthi unebhakede mvanyele elivuzayo. It doesn't matter ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthela kangakanani uzobona amanzi aphela ungazi ukuthi aphele lapha. So sometimes zivumele ukudedela abantu and sometimes mvangeli kubalulekile labo
labo bantu it cannot be only friends. Sometimes it can be family. It can be people that are close to you. It can be people that you love. You know, when I was coming, I was meditating about something that I wanted to write on Google Facebook. Bengifuna ukubhala something mvangele to say there are signs when you are surrounded by a wrong person. It can be romantically or it can be friendship wise or it can be family wise. Zibuza ukuthi kutheni every time maniqabene nomngane wakho nomuntu othandana naye uba productive. Zibuze ukuthi kutheni mawuqabene nomuntu othize empilweni yakho uba productive and uba focused. It's a sign ukuthi loyo muntu uyi stumbling block ngoba salento yakho yabona. So now does your progress have to rely on you nilwe
Kose nilwe
khona ngiphumelele? It's a red flag leyo nto. So meaning to say noma uNkulunkulu aletha abantu, you need to be careful uzibheke ukuthi kutheni ngahlukana no 1 2 3 4 5 out of the blue. Ngibona amaphupho, ngikhumbula iphupho lami ukuthi ngangifuna ukuqala ibusiness, ngangifuna ukuqala lo. Why is it that impi yakho naye inenza ukuvuleka amehlo kuqala?
Emabunda ngicela ukuba ufakazi walento ishoyo.
Sure.
Mina angazi kukangaki ngihlukana nabantu abathize.
Sure.
Kanti ukuhlukana nabo impumelelo ibe khona.
Sure.
Many times. Ngingaze nje ngidecide ukuthi ngihlukana nomuntu othize. Kuqala iminyaka ivuleka. Kuqale kuvela izinto bengaveli. Now that's when I realized mabundu ukuthi sometimes we pray and ask God. Yet kunabantu esingafuna ukubadedela. Yabona kunenye into engivama ukisho ngifuna ukuyiphinda na ku 2026. Uyabona i-decision oyithatha uhleka ngeke ishintshe impilo yakho.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Kodwa i-decision oyithatha ukukhala inyembezi kubhlungu enhlizweni. Wasikathi ngiyamthanda lo muntu but inkinga uyi-stumbling block sempumelelo se-achievement yami. Mtetele lo muntu. Mina ngizoyiphinda mabuni. Inkinga yethu si-addicted kubantu aba-wrong. Si investe konke kulabo bantu yet mabunda labo bantu bangama stumbling block wempilo yakho manga. It is very important kulonyaka mawuzophumelela mntana sekhaya awuqala usefa abantu ukhipha abantu nani because mabunda ungizwe kahle lento le izo sound rude but njengoba manje kuyi-careful vele kudlala i-Africa Cup
noma South Africa
sephumile
kulungile.
But mabuna kunento nginothisile lapha. Ucoach uyakwazi ukucala ngescheme sokucala or information yokucala. But uma ngabe abadlali bangaperform egroundini noma bangaletha ama result okukora ukuthi siwine because makudlala ibhola kudlala ibhola inhloso ukuthi siwine akekho umuntu odlala ibhola ngoba efuna ukuluza akekho. Uma ebona ukuthi scheme asimsebenzele uyashintsha
injalo
umbona thinta abo linesman no ref ukuthi ayibafowethu misana umdlalo ngifaka umuntu awukwazi mabunda ukufaka iplayer umdlalo ungawumisanga kukose umise bese ufaka iplayer okusho mabunda mfowethu kulonyaka ngiyazi last year impilo yakho bengayindawo and kungenzeka bengicela ustope yonke into ume bese uyacheck ufaka abantu ukhipha abanye ngoba mabunda ungizwa ngamane bathi ushintsha abangani ngamane bathi uhamba kodwa uma into ingakusebenzela khipha ufaka into esebenzayo.
You know manga mawusakhuluma ngokumisa nabantu inkosi sibat advise namhlanje uma sikhuluma ngokumisa impilo yakho umise yonke into kwakuthi kunabantu obahlolayo wena bangakuhloli yeke leyo nto kwakuthi kunabantu abakufonela mabadinga imali kodwa mabangadinga imali abakufoneli yeka misa leyo nto misa ukufona misa ukutexta misa ukucheck up wena umngane wakho umvakashela kakhulu ukudlula ko yento wena kuvakashela ngakhona wena labangani abakusurroundile le family yakho ukhipha more than you are supposed to misa yonke into you know mfaka ngokulula ukuxosha abantu kulula ukuxosha abantu yekela ukuyenza lento ojwayele ukuyenza ukhipha abantu vangele empilweni yakho kulula just do lento ovamisa ukuyenza njalo yeke if uvamisa ukufona yekela ukufona if uvamise ukukhipha imali yekela ukukhipha imali then bona ngokwabo uzobona bangasafuni mina la sekunabantu engahlukana nabo and angizange ngafika kibo ngabatshela ngathi bafethu mina nami siyayeka ngayekela ukubafonela angizange sathola ifoni yabo ngathi good shot kunabangane futhi la there were friends, there were people that I thought okay we can become friends with these people, there were people that I thought you know what maybe we can build something with these guys but I noticed that I was overly invested than they were ngathi okay ayihluphi lento if bengifona ngayekela ukufona if bengitext ngayekela ukutext ngayekela ukucheck up on them guess what bekuphi manje
they are
gone. None of them has ever contacted me. None of them has ever called on me. Why? Uma ufuna ukuyekela certain relationship, just stop doing izinto ovamise ukuzenza.
Ukuthi lento ukuthi uvala umthombo.
Sure.
Abantu banyamalale.
Sure.
This really show also ukuthi awunabo abangani beqiniso noma umndeni weqiniso.
Danko.
Uyabona nje nalento ukuthi ekini when unemali bakuphathiswa kwenkosi when uholile when uright empilweni bakuphathiswa kwenkosi but kungaze kubhede izinto bayaqala bayahamba labo bantu Mabunda.
Sure.
Mina ngizoba honest now.
Yeah man.
Kunezinto ongakosanga uyibhadalele but these things they come natural.
Sure.
Uthando care lezo zinto Mabunda azibhadalelwa into ebhlungu ngokubhadala uthando ukuthi imali mayiphela nomthombo wothando akunikeza lona liyaphela
yo ngiyakuzwa man
ingakho Mabunda mfowethu you are blessed as a person
sure.
Uma ngabe kusekhona abantu abakuthanda unakho unganakho Mabunda kunabantu abayothi bhuti ngoba unakho waqala kwaphela izinto bakubiza nganyiko akazimezwa kana la
ngiyizwa kahle
yaqala zaphela izinto bakubiza ngegama that is why bhuti this year okay angikhulume lento
sure.
This year bengicela ukuthi before izinto ziphela okay angibeke so when izinto ziphela before izinto ziphela
yeah
bese bayahamba vala umthombo bahamba izinto isesekhona because Mabunda kunabantu mangathiwa nje umuntu othize la wenza iexample nje ukuthi avelathi this year mhlambe at 2 months kubantu abaseduzane naye whether it's family ukuvale nje uthi ebafethu umsebenzi uphelele imali anginayo ukucheck ekuzokwenzakalana
you know how I so wish Mvangeli I can speak like a prophet again into the year this is the year of exposing people kwathi ngakhuluma njengomprofeti ngithi kulonyaka odlonyaka odlulileyo was the year la uNkulunkulu beka expose khona abantu yazi inkinga yabantu yini Mvangeli ukuthi abafuna ukukholwa uma abantu babakhombisa ukuthi banjani
that's true
bakholelwa lento abayishoyo hayi lento abayenzayo kanti sometimes labantu osurround nabo or le family or sometimes lo muntu uthandana naye izenzo zakhe zinokukutshela ukuthi ungumuntu onjani bese wena ubambelela kuma memories uyekela ukukholwa izenzo zakhe ubambe lento ayishoyo no mina ngiyakuthanda mina in bafethu yekelani le uJesu wambheka uPeter athi mina ngizofa la ufa khona uJesu wambheka athi wena athi uzofa wena uzofa la ngifa khona ngoba kunabantu abakhuluma ngoba isisu sigcwele kunabantu abakhuluma ngoba babona ama istrophets ngangibuzi ngwazela lapha ama istrophets ngiphile emhlabeni kunabantu ababona ama istrophets owabekile lapha etafuleni kunabantu ababona zonke lezi zinto lezi utshwala nani bakhulumisa yikho lokho ndaphoza yami awuyona iphoza bafuna lento abayifuna banethi ukuyithola leyo nto bayakushiya so even this year make sure that you allow God uma azokukhombisa you know Mvangeli uNkulunkulu sometimes unayo lento kuyenza yokuthi avale imithombo kuze amehlo akho avuleke sometimes uNkulunkulu unayo leyo nto so besimcela bafethu this year when God exposes people for who they are believe them vumela futhi laba bakushiyayo amang akekho umuntu odangerous njengomuntu okushiyayo mawusendlaleni abuye ngokubona ipresence yokuhle labo bantu bangakubulala nokukubulala. Umuntu okushiyayo mawusenkingeni noma ungasekho enkingeni ungamvumeli abuye. Yeah.
Yazi bhuti i-deep into efaka umuntu ngaphakathi.
Sure.
I-deep into efaka umuntu.
Sure.
Siyathanda asithandi bafowethu. Ukuthi uphumelele udinga umuntu.
Mango, you need a person.
Ukuthi ushone phansi udinga umuntu.
Sure.
And I think these are the systems uNkulunkulu our placeile on earth.
Sure.
Ukuthi abantu baphilisane.
Sure.
Ukuze bakwazi ukuphumelela.
Sure.
Mina Mabunda, why siloko sigcizelela into yokuthi be careful of your associate.
Sure.
It's because no matter how powerful you are,
sure,
but ungaze ube nomuntu or formed against your prosperity or against your life, angeke uzuye ndawo empilweni.
Ngeke mama.
Emabunda,
sure.
Do you know ukuthi kunabantu abazokuzondela ukuthi awuvumanga ukuthi bakwenza isilima?
Sure. Bakuzonda
because babelievela ukuthi whatsoever lapho baba khona makadlala isiginci bonke abantu bayadansa. But wena abe offended ukuthi why wena ungadance because abanye abantu bayadansa.
Ngiyakuzwa
mina. That is why but ungizwe kahle mfowethu, kunezinto ezingafuni sithandaze but they need us to walk away so that we may have a progress in our life.
I hear you.
But abantu, when you are addicted about something,
sure,
drugs emzimbeni noma utshwala,
sure,
the only thing ezokusiza is not prayer, is to take you away from that thing ekwenza ube addicted.
Sure.
Yingakho nase rehab bathathe ini utshwala, bathathe yonke into bayisuse emehlweni akho. The more you stay away from that thing, is the more uyiluza in your blood system.
Sure.
Kunabantu nje ekungakosanga siloko sithandaza senza ini, we need to move away from them then soba right.
Mama,
ngani miyazwakala nale?
Ngikuzwa kahle. You know, I was reading the Bible ngaze ngabhala in another post.
What?
I hope I schedule. I was reading a scripture, I think it's in the book of Mark. La khona lithi Bible uJesu abafethi siyakholwa sisindisiwe nizasicolela la ku Real Talk sisindisiwe. Lithi Bible uJesu mfaka mango bekasendlini ethize. La kulendlu lebeka kiyo bekugcwele to a point ukuthi bekungana space.
Sure.
Lithi Bible kwakunala madoda lawa bewaphethe umngani wabo. Lithi kwavulwa iroof
yes,
bamehlisa ngentambo. Lithi Bible la ngisha khona lithi uJesu wabona ukukholwa kwalabantu, hayi ukukholwa kwalomuntu, kwalabantu abamlethile abamehlisayo. Ngasibuza ke ngathi umuntu unayo yini abantu empilweni la abazokholwa on his behalf, bakholwe ukuthi uzophuma on your behalf. Uthi wena mawubheka impilo yakho ubona kwangathi akuna direction but uzumfeni or uzuphuti wakho or uzisurrounding yakho,
sure,
ukuthi abantu abazokholwa on your behalf babone lento wena ongayiboni, baqinekise baqini, what is the word say,
baqiniso, bakunikeza isiqiniseko.
Yeah, bakunikeza isiqiniseko ukuthi uzophumelela. Ngoba lamajida afika lapha mfethu kuJesu umnganabo angasanamandla, umnganabo agula, bakholwa on his behalf. So uma njengoba uzo replace, njengoba umango asho athi iyekela if bophuza nje they separate alcohol from you. So meaning say but they need to be a replacement. So pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu mfethu a replace abantu aba toxic ngabantu abazokholela kulento okiyo, abazokholela kulento uNkulunkulu afuna ube yiyo. Yeah,
you know but lento oyishoyo,
sure,
okusho sometimes siyahluleka empilweni hayi ngoba sihluleka,
sure,
but abantu abasurroundile abakholelwa kuthina,
never, they don't,
ngendaba yokuthi mhlambe bona kunezinto abahluleke kuzona,
sure,
sebafuna ukufaka ukuhluleka kwena.
Yeah.
Mina Mabunda ngizwe kahle mfowethu,
sure,
kunama couple,
sure,
asafarayo hayi ngoba esafara,
sure,
but uthola ukuthi omunye wabo boy2 omunye wabo akakholela komunye. And every time when you raise an idea, ifana lento ukuthi Mabunda uthi uzothenga imoto this year,
sure,
avela umuntu akuhleke athi wena soke sibona inyoka leyo. I'm sorry ukhuluma ku real talk mari inyoka leyo. U raise ama ideas uthi this year ufuna ukwenza ukuthi nokuthi. Ifana lento ukuthi Mabunda mfowethu.
Sure.
Ifana lento uthi umuntu othandana naye. This year ngizoluzwa iweight. Akuhleke. Instead of saying baby I know you will make it,
sure,
I know uzoyenza lento, mawuthi uzoqala ibusiness athi umuntu wakho no baby I know uzoyenza leyo,
sure,
but instead of uyabona ukuthi ebhuti kunabantu abangeke baze bakutshela ukuthi uzohluleka ukwenza into,
sure,
but uhleko lwabo lukutshela ukuthi uyakunyatsa futhi angeke uzuye phambili.
Sure.
Akusiyo wonke umuntu okose ngayo uyakutshela ukuhluleka kwakhe. Abanye Mabunda mfowethu by their action,
sure,
indlela mawu presenter icase ukuthi mina ngizophumela ngizonza so thothi lo muntu athi soke sibone into yakhe yophelela lapha
with actions. Ingakho sisasho in 2026 hlukana nabantu abageneralizer ama failures. Uma kuhluleke bona kusho ukuthi sonke sizohluleka. Uma bangakhona ukufinyelela ezintweni ezithize akusho ukuthi sonke ngeke sifinyelele lapho. So in 2026 make sure that you choose your friends wisely. Make sure that you choose your surrounding wisely. I think we're going to wrap up today's episode, sure, even though ingekho that long, but I believe that it will have a huge impact that it's supposed to have. So besicela bafethu, in one of your prayer requests, thandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela ungisize ngoba njengoba sishilo kubalekile ukucala noNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu knows who's meant to be part of your journey and who is not meant to be part of your journey. Number 2, stop buying love and stop making people to fall in love nalento uNkulunkulu athe uyiyo. If they don't believe in it, if they don't see it, don't force them ngoba bayokujikela sophakathi nendlela. Kungcono bafethu ithi indlela isuka sazana ukuthi sonke Cape Town. Kunokuthi uma sesifike Cape Town halfway to Cape Town abantu bathi bona baye Durban njani ngoba le bus le ye Cape Town. So make sure that your surroundings, you pray that God may surround you with the right people.
But sesivala mfowethu. Kubalekile. Uyabona uma umuntu,
sure,
ungazibuki wena,
sure,
emntwini,
sure,
but zibuke kuNkulunkulu,
sure,
uzozibona wena.
Ngaphinde uyisho leyo nto.
But sinama depression namhlanje, sinama anxiety ukuthi sisukile ukuzibuka thina kuNkulunkulu,
sure,
ureflect impilo yakho through kumuntu ukuthi usibani uthenga imoto last year, usibani unani last year, uachieve 1 2 no 3. Kanti Mabunda, here's the truth mfowethu, uphila impilo yakhe lo muntu nawe phile yakhe impilo through uzibheka kuNkulunkulu. Asafari ngoba sisafara Mabunda, but sisafara because of sishintshe ifocus. Sangazibheki thina kuNkulunkulu njoba eyisipili uNkulunkulu, but sizibheke through umuntu. Mabunda, angibeke in a lower level.
Ibeke in a lower level.
Asiyeke lento yokumonitora impilo zethu. Simonitor ngokuthi sibheke impilo yomunye umuntu.
Okusho ukuthi ke ama exam esiwabhalayo awafani. Kanjalo ke nama memorandum awafani. Uma uzothatha iexam yakho uyimarke, let's say you are writing exam science,
sure,
uyimarke ngememorandum ye accounting, uzofaila vele ngoba lama answer aku memorandum ye accounting awe exam ye accounting, lama answer aku memorandum ye science awe exam ye science. Uma uzothatha impilo yakho uyimarke ngokwe exam yomunye umuntu, you will suffer. Madod
Anyasumu sesivalile.
Sivalile.
Yeah, no, real talk bafowethu uNkulunkulu anibusise. Mabunda angivale so.
Sure.
Ngivale so.
Sure.
Kukulonyaka mntana sekhaya ngicela ungenzele na into naye. Ungavuma ukuba nabantu abangakuvaluishi.
Sure.
Mabunda ave kubhlungu ukukhalela umuntu.
Sure.
Yena othi noma kuthi uyamshiya ngeke azakukhalele.
Sure.
I don't know ngibeke ngenza sense le.
Ngenza sense.
Do you know Mabunda ukuthi kunabantu mawungathi uyahamba empilweni zabo, they won't cry.
They won't cry. They don't even think.
They don't even care.
They won't even see my absence.
But when you are busy crying for them ukuthi yo uNkulunkulu mangaluza lo muntu. Emabonda kuyingozi ukuthi wena uzoba novalo lokulahlekelwa ngabantu kodwa labo bantu abanalo uvalo lokulahlekelwa nguwe.
Ngizwile mina.
No siyavala. I don't know Mahunda ngizwa na. Yangizwa. Okusho ukuthi Mabunda mfowethu kungcono ukuba nabantu abane energy wena onayo ngabo ibe the same level because you will share. Ngeke Mabunda nilahlane or angeke Mabunda omunye adiqele lo munye umuntu phansi. Mabunda silimazana kanje empilweni, it's because of kunomunye osibona ngaphezulu komunye. Let me say this thing Givali.
Yes sir.
Mabunda when uzongitreata njengenkosi,
sure,
ngizibone ngiyinkosi, ngizokubona uyislave, uyinto yokunyathelwa.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Because of izenzo zakho. But uma sizotreatana with kings, understand that we are equals. Ungitreata njengenkosi nami ngitreata njengenkosi. Problem yabantu abaningi, it's because of bahluleka ukubona ukuthi imini oncengile la but lo muntu akancengi.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ngiyawara mangabe ungangifonelanga, but mangakufonelanga wena awari wena.
Hlukana nalabo bantu.
2026.
Let me say this. Yahlupha lento. Let me say this. Hlukana nabangani.
Sure.
Whether umngani, whether umuntu othandana naye, whether it's a family member, abadinga worship labahamba khona. Angazi vile ngisho make sense. Hlukana nabantu abadinga ukhothe labahambe khona njengenja. Ngoba iphutha esilenzayo sinale tendency yokubheka abantu ukuthi banani bese thina sizibukela phansi kanti siyalingana lana. It doesn't matter ukuthi umngane wakho uhamba ngeFerrari or ngeBM. If you have to worship their ground, hlukana nalabo bantu. Kungcono usurround nabantu mfethu abakurespectayo, abakunderstandayo, abakubona njengomuntu, hayi umuntu ozokuphathisa kwenje. It doesn't matter mfethu ukuthi wena ukhola ukudlula mina. It doesn't matter ukuthi wena usipana umsebenzi ongcono kuna. If we are friends, we are equal. If we are family members, yekela ama title nama achievements wakho lemsebenzini. Singabantu lana. So iphutha sinabantu abafuna ukuletha ama achievements abo nama accolades wabo to this friendship or to this relationship. If I'm not your friend, I'm not your equal, go and hang out with your peers instead of making the people that all surround them ba worship and ahamba khona.
Mabunda ngicela ngibambele la.
Sure.
Uyazi Mabunda kunomunye umfo.
Sure.
Futhi when you will testify this thing.
Sure.
Lo mfona uthi he was one of our friends.
Sure.
And we used to visit him.
Sure.
And it's us who always besihlezi siya kwakhe.
Sure.
Siloko njalo siyamhlola, siloko njalo siya kuye.
Sure.
Mhlambe nangama Sundays nanini.
Sure.
It's us.
Sure.
Siya kuyena. There was no time whereby kuba uyena ozakithi. Then sayibona lento mina nawe uyakhumbula.
Yeah.
And we decided to withdraw ourselves from him.
Sure.
And this guy waba concerned.
Sure.
Uthi awafethu wani ngihloli.
Sure.
And we were like to him, mfowethu phela wena uwenza ngathi seyithi esincengile kule friendship.
Sure.
Ngoba it's us who always come to you.
Sure.
I-respond yakhe yangishaya. Wathi ningijwayezile. Ngisho ukuthini ke Mabunda? Kunabantu abangamabhubesi namhlanje bayasidla, basiphakamele. Okay, futhi ibhubesi ngiyalibona. Kunabantu abangama giraffe namhlanje. Sibabheke phezulu kanje siyaba worship. Kanti inkinga sabadumisa kakhulu.
Yo,
kanti ekubadumiseni kwethu saluza irespect. Seyithini eseva kubona. Noma Mabunda amncoma umuntu. But have boundaries. Kunabantu esibashintshile ngokuloku njalo siyabancoma. Wagcoka kahle. Hey wena wemfethu ihaircut yakho yinhle uchina kahle umngani. Hey mfethu icathulo zakho igco. Kanti the most lokho siba praise is the more basehlisa kuphakama bona. Be careful mntasekhaya.
You know Mango, there was something that was dangerous. It's a certain observation that I've noticed.
Sure.
To say kuyingozi ukucomplimenta umuntu, more especially indoda.
Okay,
I'll say this thing.
Sure.
Kuyingozi ukucomplimenta indoda, regardless of whether igcoke kahle, regardless of ukuthi ispana kahle, regardless of ukuthi kunezinto eziachievile.
Okay, asicacise.
Sure.
When ningama friends,
yeah,
male to male.
Male to male.
Okay.
Yeah, ngibeke kanjalo.
Yeah.
Male to male. Ngoba uma uzoyicomplimenta, uyikhulume or uyipraise ama achievement, uyayiphakamisa leyo ndoda. And phakameni kwayo wena ikubona kwangathi awuyilutho. Yingakho mangu usasho ukuthi kunabantu esiye sabapraise kanti ekubapraiseni kwethu siyabamosha. Kunabangani bafethu nina bamoshwa ngini. Let's be honest. Kunomngani wakho siswami wena wamosha ngokuthi umncoma njalo. Wena nje ayikho into ayenza wena akaza kuncoma. Wena nguwe ocompliment with yakhe, nguwe ocompliment makeup yakhe. Yonke into ayenzile wena you are the first one to notice. Kanti utrainer loyo muntu ukuze anganotice noma sekunguwe oyenzile. Bese uyathuka kungani athula makunguwe. Ucabanga ngathi umoya ukuthi wena wamfundisa which is only a receiver. And loyo muntu akasa reprocess whatever English word akasabuyiseli. It's not my mother's food.
Mabunda siyayivala manje. Anginono siyayivala noma siyayivula.
Sure.
Mabunda.
Sure.
Mina ngizwe kahle.
Yeah.
Akukho wrong ukwenza kahle emntwini. But kuya count ukuthi lento uyenza kubani.
Hey ma. Yakuzwa.
Okay. Kunomuntu ohlakaniphile kunomuntu oyisilima. Ingakho neBhayibheli lithi umuntu oyisilima umuntu oyisiwula.
Sure.
Bese kuba khona nomuntu ohlakaniphile. These are two things.
Sure.
You understand? Ungakwenza okuhle between these two people.
Sure.
But the result won't be the same.
Hey.
Ohlakaniphile when wenza okuhle kuyena.
Sure.
He will appreciate and take you as a person oyisibusiso phezulu empilo yakhe.
Sure.
But oyisiwula mawenza okuhle.
Sure.
Yena leyo nto ukuthatha kwangazi ukuthi wena uyisilima noma into yokunyathelo.
Hey mama.
You understand?
Yeah,
so ngiyiphinda lento. Ukwenza okuhle is not the problem.
It's not the problem.
But uyenza kubani lento enhle.
Hey mama.
Ukuthanda umuntu is not a problem but.
Hey mama.
Kunomunye umfo bengikhuluma naye athi bhuti Sibu bangilimazile othandweni. Yangizwa.
Sure.
Usho so bhuti Sibu bangilimazile othandweni.
Sure.
Now mabangilimazile othandweni this lady ungibetrayile ungihethile.
Sure.
So now sekunya advice manje advice ngamajita awu2.
Sure.
La majita awu2 ahlala namphansi athi emfowethu ugela umthanda kakhulu. Bengicela unciphise kumthandeni.
Sure.
Athi lo munye emfowethu bengicela ukuthi mhlawumbe ube neintombi eziwu3. The reason why you hate is because ufocus ekule kuphela.
Hayibo.
I-advice le
Advice
abamnikeza yona
ukuthi afocus
ku3 amantombazana because of uma uzofocusa kulo it's because of all your energy
goes there
and when akuhetha you are nowhere awukho la ungaya khona.
Sure.
Uthi kumina bhuti Sibu wena uthini kumina?
Nambe ngifuna ukubuza lo.
Awuzwe. wena uthini kumina? I was honest, but
Sure.
as ngizoba honest even na ku real talk, I said to this guy, mfowethu, nali iqiniso mina ngizokunikeza lona.
Sure.
And kuneqiniso alikhulumile before akhuluma le statement. Uthi bhuti Sibu, ngiwumuntu othanda kakhulu. And in these guys, before ngizoyichaza ukuthi mina ngitheni, uthi lo guy lo bengicela wehlise nokwenza kakhulu instead of wenzela lo muntu omthandayo, because obvious mawusothandana nomuntu
Sure.
umenzela, uyamthengela izipho nani. Then mina ngathi kuyena, yemfowethu, mina I'll advise you to be you. Because uma ngabe uzothatha ama advices la majita athi faker, don't be you.
Yeah.
Ngizoyichaza ke mabunda.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Because here's the truth mabunda. Ekwenzeni into ungayena lo muntu awubi nokuthula, number 1.
Sure.
But the moment mabunda uba umuntu ube real, it's whereby ipeace izoba khona.
Sure.
Ngathi yena number 2, akusibo bonke abantu ukuthi maba receive uthando bakubona uyislima. Qhubeka lokuthanda,
Sure.
uzomthola umuntu who appreciate amkela uthando.
Sure.
Because mabuda, there are people who can, as much as bonke abantu bakhala, hey ngifuna umuntu ozomthanda, the truth is akusiyo wonke umuntu o receive uthando alihandlishe ngendlela right.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Abunando noto, it makes sense now. You understand? So mina, what I said to this guy, I said to him, be you, release uthando. Noma ngabe abantu they wrong you,
Sure.
but ekugcineni kwakho konke uma umuntu akahlule uthanda ayihambele yena,
Ay, ma, wazi ukuthi wena uclean.
uclean,
I hear you.
then uzoba khona umuntu who will receive uthando. Mabona, here's the truth mfowethu.
Yes, sir.
As much as emhlabeni usathane abeke ibillboard yento ukuthi abantu abazokuthanda noma abantu abazoreceive uthando lwakho,
Sure.
kuba ngazi ukuthi abasekho emhlabeni, vele izinto ezimbi usathane uzibeke ku billboard, but akusho ukuthi mawubona okubi okudla kukho.
Ngiyakuzwa but
But yabona yabona manje kuyakhanya.
Sure.
Akusho njoba kukhanya la ngaphandle ubumnyama bukho.
Sure.
Kungaba sebusuku, akusho ukuthi makunobusuku ukukhanya kwenzani abukho. Ukhona. So the problem in our generation,
Sure.
the enemy uveze into yokungazuthi into enhla yikho kukhona into embi,
No.
and normalize everything ibe yimbi.
ay, ma. Noma bengicela ukuyivala ngalendlela to say bafethu lento iprinciple ethi you shall reap whatsoever that you sow. It's real and it's true.
Sure.
When it says you will reap whatsoever that you sow, it may not mention the skati ozotshala ozovuna ngazo,
Sure.
but eventually you will.
Uzoyithola.
I want to encourage someone that has been giving out there but not receiving what he has been giving.
Sure.
Kufana nalo mjito okhuluma ngayo, kungenzeka ulokuthanda abantu abarong. Believe me, that energy that you're giving out, that love that you're giving out, it's a matter of time. You know what's the strange thing? It may not come from that very face, that very same person, yabona, but one day it will come from someone. At the end of the day, you will find umuntu akwa invest emntwini mfoka mango, loyo muntu angabi lento le bomfisa kwangathi angaba ngiyo, akuthathe kwangathi uyislim. Believe me, lo muntu owomthola in future uyothola a full package. Izinto lezi bowuzicela komunye umuntu kuye uzithola ukuthi asazicela izizela natural, kanti le investment oyenza in your previous relationship or friendship. So bafethu, I want to encourage you wherever you are that if you are a good person, people may not receive the good that you have. People may not acknowledge the good that you have. You might have overcommitted yourself to wrong people. Believe me, one day you'll find someone that is gonna fit the perfect picture.
Emabunda lento engizokhuluma lana angicalekisi umuntu.
Sure.
Ungizwe kahle mfowethu.
Sure.
Angicalekisi umuntu.
Sure.
It's a principle
Sure.
of life.
Sure.
Ngikhuluma so because nami ngibonile empilweni yami.
Sure.
There are people who are good on earth.
Sure.
Kunabantu abanenhliziyo ezinhle.
Sure.
When they do something,
Sure.
they do it with a pure heart.
Sure.
Nokuthi mhlambe umuntu ufuna ukubenefita something.
Sure.
But nali iqiniso mfowethu. kutholakala lo muntu onenhliziyo enhle
sure
abethraywe umuntu lo amenzele okuhle
sure
amlimazi
sure
and the people who have a good heart they don't fight, they let you go. That is why Mabunda ungizwe kahle.
Sure.
Uyingozi umuntu ozothi umosha. Axolisa ungaxolisanga.
Uyingozi
lo muntu ukubophile wakumixa kuNkulunkulu.
Manga.
Wathi Thixo dila naye. Noma ngizona.
Manga.
Ngifuna ukurelease lento le.
Release.
Ungalwi nomuntu wakuzisa ubuhlungu. Ungalwi nomuntu owakubhedela ube wena wamenzela iqiniso. Move on. Okleva bafana naye uzodibana nabo phambili. Enemabonto ungizwe kahle. Akavamsile ukuthola abokleva bafana naye kakhulu. But uthola ba-upgrade ukudlula yena.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Uyangizwa? Uma ngabe yena bekakhetha ngamantombazana o5, lo azodibana naye uzowushanga 20. Angicalekisi umuntu.
Sure.
Mabunda ngiyayivala.
Real talk with amadoda indakazi Sumuzi. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Ngakhohle bafethu Real Talk. Siyabonga.